ka na?
Chair, the rescue chair.
Di ba nung pandemic yan?
Oo nga.
Won't say that, but later on, hush and keep saying ain't much success in your face. All of these baddies obsessed with my face. No face, no face, no face.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, my bro. So for today's or for tonight's agenda, man, pupunta tayong BGC with a couple of DJs from Angeles. So yun, sasamahan natin si DJ Richard Capulong sa BGC. So yes, please. And then after nun, siguro gigimik na lang kami, alright? So abangan nyo lang yung mga updates, guys. Peace! Bossing! Ready ka na, Bossing?
Yes, mo naman ako.
Bakit, Bossing?
Okay na ba yan?
Sagad mo.
Sagad na yan, gag.
Ay ka muna sa vlog, Bossing.
Wala ko, hindi ko.
Damn! Ito yung isa. Bossing! Ay, Bossing! Ay ka muna sa vlog, Bossing.
Vlog ba yan? Upload
Vlog to, yes sir! Bossing, baka mabangga tayo, Bossing. Bossing, ang tagal mo, Bossing. Naka-Watsons ka pa. Ang tagal mo, galing ka pang school ha, Virtuoso.
Nag-shopping ako kanina.
Tingnan na sinaping mo.
Hindi na. Gag.
Uy!
Lip balm, guys. Tangin
Lip balm.
na.
Ay!
Confession.
Fuckboy, ano? Ano tawag dyan?
Ano yun?
Chopstick.
May chopstick.
Pang fuckboy yan eh.
Wait lang, magkapalit natin.
Fuckboy yan eh. Yo, what's up guys? Papunta na kami BGC, pare. With DJ Richard Capulong, ang cutie ng mga DJ sa Pampanga. At Zaki Baby, ang baby ng Sunday service. Yes, sir! MC Josh, Procrastinator, was good, baby.
I just want a little bit of party. Welcome to my house, let's move a body. If you need a place to share what's in your body, come in, come in.
What's up, man?
Nabulong ng plancha. What's up, man?
What up, y'all?
Kasama ka dito.
It's gonna be lit, bro. What's up, y'all? It's gonna be lit, bro.
Hey, DJ Richard.
I'm the cutest DJ of Pampanga. Yes, sir. And it's your boy, Procrastinator, MC Josh. And we got Zaki, baby. Zaki, show yourself. Man, ninja. So guys, makikita nyo yung nightlife.
Ano to? BTS. BTS.
Come in. A little bit of party. Never been nobody. I just want a little bit of party. Welcome to my house, let's move a body. If you need a place to share what's in your body, come in, come in. A little bit of party.
pare.
Alam mo yung
Sing na ako, pre. Sing na ako, bro. Like, pare, man. So, si Richard Gamulong, bro. Bro, grabe ka naman, bro. Ang galing mo naman mag-play, bro.
ito sabihin ko.
Vlog takeover. Vlog takeover. Saan mo? Diretso mo.
Oh, ayan na, record sabihin ko lang. Saan ka nakapark? O tara, sabay-sabay na tayo. Oh, yun na. Medyo matagal na.
Party. I just want a little bit of party. Welcome to my house, let's move a body. If you
Umaga na, guys. Umaga na kami, oh. Good morning sa aking baby.
a little bit of party.